Project Recover Ukraine Together. For whom this project is intended? For communities, districts, regional state administrations, central executive authorities and other state bodies. For state, private and foreign investors. For citizens of Ukraine and other people suffered from destruction. For public sector, non-profit organizations, donors. We present you a portal for mapping and documenting destructions and further restoration of the infrastructure of Ukraine. Recover Ukraine Together. Today, on the GIS portal, we can add not only layers of infrastructure, but also the evacuation of people, humanitarian aid, and so on. Information can be added either manually or automatically. Today, we have several pilot projects in the cities of Makariv, Bucha, Chernihiv, Irpin, as well as pilot projects in industry areas. It is the Ministry of Energy. Let's press demonstration and choose European city. Every city or industry has the appropriate access codes, and information protection is confirmed by specialists in accordance with Ukrainian legislation. Let's choose European city and see an interactive map where the corresponding objects have been already mapped by the European City Council. We can see that 1,400 buildings were damaged in total. The number of persons living there is 21,000. The number of damaged apartments is 13,000. We see data on the damaged square, data on whether restoration is possible or not. Also, we have the possibility to zoom. When zoomed, all the relevant data changes. You can see the degree of damage, and usually it is 100%. You can see the type of object, for example, administrative buildings, residential buildings, preschool and secondary education institutions, etc. You can see levels in accordance with the development priorities. If you select some development priority, the map sorts these levels. Also, you are able to see the restoration stages. For example, we have such stages as primary information, technical report, evaluation, construction financing, and putting into operation. Therefore, the map provides us with an opportunity to develop and manage the renewal and recovery process. For example, you can see a technical report. It is added to object on Zafira Aliyeva Street. It is school that was hit by a shell, and we can see it. Additional photos of the object and a technical report have already been added here. You can see what kind of technical report it is and what is identified in the report in accordance with existing standards. In this way, we can develop and manage the development and restoration of cities and industries, make development ratings, monitor and control. There is also an opportunity for investment dashboards to transparently raise funds for the restoration of Ukraine's infrastructure. Main functions of the project are mapping and documenting destructions, restoration and development of territories and areas according to the updated plans, transparent investments attraction, monitor the implementation of the Ukraine renewal process, transparent cooperation with the owners of destroyed objects, possibility of interaction with people suffered from destruction.